Hi everyone, my name is Dennis and I'm a student of Serenity Dojo Automation Program. I've been a student here for about a month now, and I just would like to share my experience so far. I truly like the program. I like it for its content. I like it for the way that subjects are presented, um, and I see the great value in the program. So, for example, let's take Java. There is a Java course that is designed for beginners with no prior knowledge of coding called Java for Absolute Beginners, and there's Java for Testers. As somebody who has been taking a few free online courses for Java, as somebody who works with Java tutors as well, I can say that the Serenity Java course is highly effective. It's very practical. You learn how to code along the way as you go along with your lesson. You have your homework, but I also truly appreciate the way that John presents Java on the conceptual level. Uh, this is something that really helps me to understand how Java works, and I constantly find myself having a better grip of Java with every module, with every lesson that I take. And then there's, besides Java, the program has very extensive and very relevant content for anyone who is looking to either transition to automation testing from manual testing, or for existing automation professionals who want to deepen their skills and to stay effective and relevant in their workplace. So for me, it's a easy, highly recommend program to any test automation engineers or somebody like myself who wants to become a test automation engineer.